I grew up in the South Bay, in Chula Vista, which is the second largest city in San Diego County. Chula Vista means beautiful view in Spanish. Check out this gorgeous marina. Chula Vista's downtown is thriving with small businesses like breweries, cafes, and restaurants, and also this beautiful park. Not far from there is Aunt Emma's Pancakes, which was established in 1959 and is open for breakfast and lunch only, and is now a historic site for this classic restaurant. The dining area is open with comfortable booths and tables for all your likings, and if you're like me, they have a sizable counter as well. Aunt Emma's second site is in National City, not far from the city's founder Frank Kimball's house, which is a museum now, right across from the historic Brick Row. The great thing about Aunt Emma's in National City is they have outdoor dining. If you're in San Diego County and you're looking for a great breakfast joint, come to Aunt Emma's Pancakes, which they have two locations, one in Chula Vista, or come here to National City. So come on, join me, put on your mask, and let's enjoy an amazing breakfast. As you enter the restaurant, you are greeted with the first dining area filled with different sizable booths and a counter. Their second dining area also consists of booths and tables for your comfort. We ordered the huevos divorciados from the south of the border part of the menu with 2 eggs, each topped with red sauce and green sauce with a side of chilaquiles and beans. We also ordered mango crepes topped with powdered sugar and whipped cream. I had a side of blueberry pancakes topped with fresh blueberries and powdered sugar. That came with my chipotle omelet topped with fresh avocados and a side of hash browns. Oh, I'm so excited for this! Let me go ahead and taste the chipotle omelet. Packed with flavors of the smoky chipotle. You can tell they make their pancakes fresh daily with fresh ingredients. Oh, that's right. Oh, same thing goes with their crepes. Check out Aunt Emma's Pancakes Mimosas flights. That's right. So if you come for a Sunday brunch and want to enjoy some mimosas, I recommend their flights. And always remember, when you come to Aunt Emma's Pancakes, it's always pancakes time. Aunt Emma's is currently open for takeout in both locations and outside dining in National City. Soon they'll have indoor dining open again. If you like what you saw, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, and also comment which other restaurants you would like me to do next. Thank you!